Hello, quick video on how to include audio in Blender. First you're going to switch to the video editing mode. So this plus up here, you can add another tab at the top for video editing. And in the video editing you could add video clips or you could add audio clips. I'm going to switch to find an audio clip I have saved. Here I can drag it into the timeline. I could drag out multiple clips, and I could move them around and organize them on the timeline. Up here there's seconds, so I could organize them however I want here. Then if I switch back to animation mode, as I'm adding keyframes, if I hit play, the audio should be playing there as well. The other step is for output. You want to make sure that the audio gets included. So if you're outputting it as a video file and you set it up with the output location, the other step is encoding. Make sure that there's video encoding and audio codec. Switch this. MP3 works fine, and you can set your bitrate. And then when you render the video, you should get the audio as well. So that's basically it for adding audio in Blender.